Good morning, everybody. We are coming at you live on our first day installation at this beautiful Italian home. This is in the Memorial area of Houston. Our clients are Italian, and so when I first toured the home, I said, I think you need to have an Italian garden to go with that. This is a great place to sort of create a beautiful outdoor room for them. The arches are going to welcome you into this garden space. The L-shaped boxes are going to form sort of a rectangular area where the clients can enter into the garden and feel like they're back in Italy, harvesting vegetables, harvesting herbs, picking flowers. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. So day one, we're working on removing our sod from the total garden area, and we're going to work on irrigation. So our team is busy right now digging up all of the grass, and later today we're going to install the irrigation, we're going to install the gravel, we're going to install our edging and our weed fabric barrier, and within probably 2 days you're going to see a great transformation here. And this is going to go from a blank canvas to the most beautiful Italian garden you've ever seen here in Houston. Literally inside the new garden space now, and right now we have our weed fabric barrier down. We've removed all the sod. We have our gravel going in. This is Texas Black Star gravel. And then you'll see these pipes here. We've run new drip lines for irrigation. And so that's how our drip line is going to come up through the PVC piping, and we're going to add tubing inside the bed, and that's going to keep all of our plants healthy and watered. So this is a garden in progress right now. It's day one, and I think we're on hour 4-ish, 5-ish. For a big garden space, we are killing it here. So this is our moon arch trellis, and it's one of our big statement pieces of the garden. So we have a variety of different kind of trellises that we offer at Rooted Garden. I love this moon arch, especially for modern homes, because it really makes a statement. And we have all of our trellises handmade. So these are more like pieces of art. When you come into a garden, you see one of these, you know that it's really something special. So we are doing our initial layout of the plants, and what we do at Rooted Garden is we mirror the beds. So if you took these two gardens and you folded them up like butterflies' wings, when you open them, the outer is gonna match the outer, and the inner will match the inner. So right now we're working together and we're calling out plants and flowers so that the borders are the same, basically. And it helps with symmetry, it helps for aesthetics, but it also helps the client identify what's where. So if she sees a plant tag up front and nothing in back, she can just look 3 plants in and she's gonna know exactly what it is. This is our initial layout. And then we'll go over it a couple times before we actually dig. An Italian eggplant. It's called a Nadia eggplant. I'm so excited to see this grow because Italian garden, Italian eggplant. This is Cuban oregano, and it's gonna get huge. It's already, look at the size of this. This is gonna be a showstopper. So let's try this too. Okay, everybody, this installation in Memorial is now complete. We have a big, beautiful, formal potager garden. A home this grand in scale needs a garden this grand in scale. Let me walk you around quickly, and I'm gonna show you what we planted today. So this is day 4 of our installation. We have our sun gold tomatoes, which are gonna trellis up on both sides and meet in the middle. It's gonna be beautiful. We have some Swiss chard that's gonna come up as a big statement piece, and it's gonna bring in all the colors of the rainbow and look absolutely stunning. And then if you look at our borders here, we have the herb flower border. We have eggplant in between. We have our zucchini and our cucumber, which are also gonna trellis up and meet in the middle. So when you're thinking about adding a kitchen garden, we love to take architectural elements from your home and bring it into the garden. And here, that's definitely the arches. It's definitely the steel beds, and I could not be happier with how this turned out. Our next phase for this garden is adding in olive trees at the corners of our perimeter here where the gravel meets the grass. So in the next couple weeks, you're gonna see that this space really becomes an outdoor room. So thanks for touring with Rooted Garden. I'm Jen, and this could all be yours too.